have some fun stickers, and these are the different colors we're gonna use.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. Okay.
I'm gonna make this one pink.
You wanna make that one pink?
Yeah.
Okay, so first I have to fill these cups up with warm water.
Let's
You got-
do this.
Hold on 1 second. So now that we did put all the water, we have to add some vinegar.
Yeah, some bigger.
Okay, so let's open this up.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it.
Here you
up
go. You
too.
can open it.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. It's something you read.
Oh, thank you. There's the instructions for me to read.
And what is more stickers?
More stickers.
Yeah.
Okay, we got some nice stickers.
I did it.
Ooh, these are little
Little
banners that go
Banners.
around the eggs.
eggs.
Okay, so
Oh,
we need
what
to-
else?
You got more stuff?
Yeah.
I think mommy makes a mess on every video.
Every video.
Okay, so you know what you can start doing?
Yeah.
You can grab an egg
Okay.
and you can decorate the egg with this special crayon. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well,
We can sit the eggs on here.
oh.
Woohoo! Nice! I'm loving it! You have bunnies on here, Easter eggs, the sun, sheep. What's this one? A little bunny. And mommy got a little orange on your egg. Okay, Sky, you know what? It's
What?
time for another egg. You gotta decorate another egg. Are you coloring any more eggs with the crayon? You gotta make some decorations with the crayon so you can see how magical the crayon is. Are you ready to dip the eggs, Skylar? Okay. What color do you want to pick first? Green. Okay. Let me help you. Let me try to help you. Let's see. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go.
I'm gonna do it.
Yes, you do it. You gotta dip it in there. You gotta hold it tight. Hold it tight, okay? Hold it tight. It's turning. Do you think it's ready?
Yeah.
You think we can take it out?
Yeah. Oh, when it's done.
You think it's done already?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's done cooking in the green. Whoa! What other color do you want to pick?
I'm gonna do pink.
Pink? Okay. Pink. Place it in there slowly.
Sorry.
Nice job.
I did it.
Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, you think it's ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Get it out.
Take it out. It's light pink.
Light pink.
And guess what it says?
What?
Skylah.
Me, my name.
Yes, it does. Let's do it.
I'm gonna do little.
Yellow. We're gonna do yellow. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do my
job. Yellow.
It says daddy.
And it says daddy. Blue. Okay. Let it start cooking at the same time. Yes. Orange. Okay, let's place this over here.
Place it over here.
Place it over. Here's the blue one.
Woo!
Show your apron. Leave a thumbs up if you like Skylah's apron. Do you want to make this a pirate?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you like to put on your pirate?
So,
This is Skylah's egg with her pirate that has a patch and a red sword and a pirate hat.
pirate hat.
Nice job, Skylah.
So,
Me and Skylah are gonna finish decorating these eggs. We will take a picture when we're finished. We hope you liked our video.
yeah.
Make sure you leave a big thumbs up and you comment down below and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great Easter.